Now I know all these websites and scams that I've got, and I can learn from it and not get scams again.
These are like real skills that I can apply in the future or even right now.
It's always really fun to see them leaving at the end, telling us how much fun they've had, how they've learned something, these little tips and tricks that can really save them a ton of time and money.
The Grand Rapids Public Museum is a proud partner of School News Network. Our Discovery Kit loan program puts artifacts in the hands of students to incorporate object-based learning into the classroom. Reserve your kit today.
Through the Better Business Bureau, they have a great program called Scambusters, and I've been familiar with it for easily 6-7 years. They bring a speaker into my classroom, and they do a nice kind of game show way to present some great information.
We come into schools and we try to educate students on how to identify those red flags of scammers so they can save money and they can save their information. The program was actually formed by a different Better Business Bureau, but our bureau in Western Michigan took it and we ran with it, and we've really morphed it into our own. We use real examples that have been sent to our office from real people in the community. So when you're looking at maybe more legitimate looking ads and pictures online, pay attention to these little clues. Never want to enter sensitive information on a site that's not secure. So that's your usernames, your passwords, your credit card information. Enough people reported it that that website got shut down. So then the scammer decided to make a new website and paste it on top. Does this look very professionally made? No. It's always so much fun to see them get so engaged, not only in the gameplay, because we want to make it fun. We don't want to just stand and talk. So go ahead, roll your dice one more time. But also when they're realizing that they don't know as much as they thought they did. They actually have to use their brains and work together as a group to try to decide whether what they see is really a scam or if it's legitimate.
I've never been scammed personally, but I have gotten certain messages that I've been unsure about.
She said to make sure that it's actually like an accurate link and like it's like legit, and to make sure and just like look at it before you put your information in as well.
The Netflix one, I was like, it says secure, it looks secure, but it wasn't.
It's definitely like a lot of fun to actually learn about it. It's not just like a presentation, but like you get to interact. Sometimes we disagreed on some of them, but like most of them we like agreed on, and we got in second place.
This is a really great program for any student in any classroom. We've been to math classes, art classes, consumer classes. Kids 19 and under are the most vulnerable and most likely to lose money to a scam, which most people don't know. So hopefully we can help some students not learn the hard way and have those tips ahead of time, so when they do get into those situations, they already know what to do.